What's up, guys? My name is Ben from Rubiks Cubing, and today I am going to be solving all 9 of my Rubiks Cubes. So let's go. So today I'm going to be solving all 9 of my 3x3 Rubiks Cubes. There's not much to it, but anyways, I'm just going to get started in mixing all of these up. Alright guys, so all of these cubes look pretty well mixed up, so I'm going to get right into solving them. So let's go. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have an awesome day. So, see ya!